Samsung next AMD Exynos GPU shows it's on par with the Apple A14 and even crossed that number. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So as we know that Samsung is working on the new Exynos processor with an AMD GPU supported inside, and already we know that flagship level processor is going to be unveiling in the month of July. So literally there are a few days remaining, and as the days are approaching nearer and nearer, we are getting more leaks regarding that. Now there is yet another leak coming from Exynos which indicates a benchmark result of a new chip in a 3D Marks wildlife test, and the actual score of 8134 puts the AMD Exynos GPU on par with the Apple A14 Bionic Silicon that powers the iPhone 12 series. For reference, the Snapdragon 888 managed just 5400 in the same test, while the Exynos 2100 results floated around 5300 points. So the new RDNA2 graphics that AMD and Samsung are jointly developing will be coming in the Exynos 2200, and it's worth noting that the test was performed using the old architecture, which is the Cortex A77 that was developed in 2019, while the Exynos 2100 that is featured in the S21 Ultra is using the Cortex A78, meaning that the performance score might even be higher in the final version of the Exynos 2200, which is going to be using the Cortex X2, which is the latest architecture right now. So there are information that the next generation Exynos processor might not be coming exclusive to Samsung, but the other companies might use that processor as well, and one of that company is going to be the Vivo, which is going to power their upcoming Vivo devices, although there is virtually no further information available at the moment, so we can't tell about that. I'm definitely looking forward towards the AMD GPU in the Exynos 2200, and literally we are 6 months away from the launch of the S22 Ultra, which is going to be launching in the month of January next year. So the processor is going to be coming alongside with that. So I'm super curious how this processor is going to be performed inside the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Things are crossed right now. We have to wait and see the next month what the performance gain we can get in the Exynos 2200 processor. So moving forward, the foldable Galaxy Z43 is pictured from every angle in more gorgeous colors, and the render images has been showcased today. So basically nothing new here. We already know that it is going to be coming in two-tone color option on the back with a larger outer display, dual camera setup, and also we are going to see 120 Hz of refresh rate on the front side with a 6.7 inch of a display here. So nothing new here, but one thing which is more importantly for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 devices, which is going to be the price of this particular device. So as you already know, the foldable devices were one of the expensive devices since from the last 2 years, and now we are hearing reports coming from the 91 mobiles that the price for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be ranging between the $960 to $1100 in the US, which means that it's significantly more affordable than the $1300 price tag of the Galaxy Z Flip and even $1200 Galaxy Z Flip 5G. Also, you will notice there is going to be an interesting thing on the Z Flip outer screen, which is going to be showing a date of on August the 14th, which I think that is going to be the date when the Unpacked event is going to be happening. But as per the latest leak, we may actually see that particular device might happen in the first week of the August. So we have to wait and see when Samsung is going to be unveiling that particular device, because literally there are going to be more than a month remaining for that Unpacked event to happen. And finally, we have Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, which cost and the render images has been appeared online. So the Galaxy Buds Pro are reportedly coming in the month of August alongside with the Galaxy Z lineup and with the Galaxy Watch 4 series, and they are going to be coming with a price tag of $149, which is going to be an insane pricing considering that the Galaxy Bud Plus is going to be a replacement for the Galaxy Bud Pro successor, and we might also see that particular device to be bundled alongside with the Galaxy Z lineup. And that is it in this particular video. I'm super excited for the upcoming Samsung AMD processor, which is going to be even much more powerful in terms of performance than the Apple A14 Bionic right now. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for daily tech video.